sergeant.
Get out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
Yo, where's the sergeant, bro?
Step out of the vehicle.
Step out.
Step out.
Don't touch me.
Step out. You know what?
Don't
Get out of
touch
the vehicle.
me.
Get out.
Yo, you're bugging. Stop touching me. What are you doing? Yo, are you fucking kidding?
There's a car involved.
Yes.
After a serious crash involving a child struck by a vehicle, officers are forced to deal with an incredibly obnoxious woman who insists on driving her car through the scene.
That way. Turn around. Go. Turn around. Ma'am, you got to turn around.
Right from the start, this isn't just a routine traffic stop. Officers are trying to secure the scene after a child has been struck by a vehicle, making public safety their top priority. But instead of immediate cooperation, the encounter takes a dramatic turn that quickly escalates into something far bigger than anyone expected.
Turn around.
All right.
Okay. I got somebody got hit by a car, ma'am. Oh, okay. You know what? License, registration, insurance card right now. License, registration, insurance card. Step out of the vehicle.
Bro, do not touch me. I'm about to record this.
License, I'm already fucking.
For what?
Failure to obey an officer's direction.
I'm backing up.
Ma'am, knock your shit off.
What do you mean? You're mad because
License,
I'm not,
registration, insurance
you got
card.
mad because I went like
License,
this.
registration, insurance
I
card.
didn't do shit to you.
501 County. No! Stop the vehicle!
Bro, you're fucking
Stop the vehicle.
You're bugging.
Stop the vehicle.
You're bugging.
Do not move that vehicle.
You're
Put it in
bugging.
park right
You're
now.
bugging.
Put it in park
You're
right
bugging.
now.
You're
Put it in
bugging.
park right now.
You're bugging.
Yeah, I am.
You're out of jurisdiction.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
You're about
you are.
ready to get locked up. Knock your
Locked
shit
up
off.
For what?
Obstruction right now.
You.
Where's your license, registration, insurance card?
Out of my face. I'm not giving you shit. Give me a sergeant.
Right there.
Here's where emotions begin to override judgment. Even if someone believes an officer is wrong, roadside arguments almost never end well. The legal place to challenge police actions is later, in court, not in the middle of an active emergency scene. Would you have handled this differently?
I was going right here. He wanted me to go backward. I said, how do you expect me to do that? He said, you got to turn around. Somebody got hit by a car. I said like this. Oh, license, registration, insurance. Because I went like this because he said somebody got hit. That's not a reason to ask me for
All right, stop yelling at me.
I can yell at whatever I want.
All right, but for
This
what?
is America.
For what? For what? For what?
Because I can. It's
All right,
my right.
calm down. Just
It's my
calm
right.
down.
It's my right. I can yell. I'm not assaulting or doing
All right,
anything. wrong to anybody.
so calm down, though.
No, I don't have to.
You yelling isn't helping anything.
So what? And him asking me for my license, registration, insurance.
Yeah, absolutely. He's in the right.
For what?
I just got here.
Exactly. He wanted me to back up. I said I can't do that like that. He said you have to turn around. Somebody got hit by a
When
car.
I got here, I seen you driving up to this kid on the ground.
No, you didn't see me driving up to a kid on the ground. I was way before that kid on the ground. I was all the way back here.
You're pretty close.
He wanted me to back
You
up.
pulled over right here, so.
Exactly, because I was turning around. He asked me to back up. I said, I don't know how I'm going to do that. He said, kid got hit. I said like this. Oh, yeah? License, registration, insurance. Because I didn't care the kid got hit? What? Are you out your mind? Can't ask me for license, registration, insurance. If I didn't do it, I didn't have a track it.
License, registration,
For
insurance
what?
card. Failure to obey officer's direction signals.
What are you talking about? That doesn't even make sense.
You want to sit here? You want to?
So you committed a traffic violation.
How did I commit a traffic violation?
I did. Whether you agree with that or not,
No,
on the side of the road,
This is the turning point. The officer gives a clear final warning. Comply now or face arrest. In many jurisdictions, refusing lawful commands during an active investigation can quickly lead to obstruction or similar charges. One decision in the next few seconds changes everything.
on the side of the road is not the time to fight.
You have one chance. Here's your chance. License, registration, insurance card, or you can step out of the vehicle and go to jail.
You fight it in court, not on the side of the road.
What? You're out of control.
Step out of the vehicle.
Yo, you're wilding. Please stop. Get out of my car. Give me a sergeant.
Get out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
Yo,
Step out of the
where's the
vehicle.
sergeant, bro?
Step out of the vehicle.
Step out.
Step out.
Don't touch me.
Step out. You know what?
Don't
Get out of
touch
the
me.
vehicle.
Get out
Yo,
of the
you're
car.
bugging. Stop touching me. What are you doing? Yo, are you fucking kidding me? Yo, sergeant, are y'all serious right now? Yo, I'm not even resisting.
You are resisting.
I'm
Stop
not resisting
moving.
at all. You're arresting me for what? Yo, are y'all out of control right now, bro? Y'all are out of fucking control. I swear to fucking God. I swear to fucking God, bro. I swear to fucking God. I swear to God. Please get your hands off of me. Stop grabbing me like that, bro. Yo, excuse me. Are you serious right now? And you're sitting here looking at this shit, right? Are y'all serious?
Yes, ma'am.
Is he serious right now?
Yes, he is.
For what?
Now listen to his commands.
What commands? Are you fucking serious, bro? There was no way for
Once
me
an
to...
arrest begins, every movement matters. What one person sees as simply pulling away can be interpreted by officers as resistance. Body camera footage often becomes the key evidence, capturing every command, every response, and every second of the confrontation.
There was no way for me to back up. How was I gonna back up? I was at a stop sign. Yo, are you fucking kidding me right now, bro? You guys cannot be fucking serious.
Where's your keys and everything?
Bro,
Where's
this
your
is
keys?
wrong.
Where's your keys and everything?
This is wrong.
Where's your keys and everything?
This is wrong
Where's
in
your keys?
every way
Where's your
possible. Are you sitting
Where's
me
your
right now? Are you kidding me?
Obstruction, disorderly. I mean, you name it.
For the yelling and shit. I don't know if it was
Yeah.
like a DUI or something.
No.
Where was she?
She was pulling up this way. I'm like, stop, turn around.
We're gonna leave this in the same card, right?
Yeah,
Like you don't want a separate card for this?
yeah, that's fine. It don't matter to me. So I guess I'm not leaving at 11. Joe, you want them completely off?
It's crazy as fuck, bro. It's shit.
Your problem is you really need to respect authority and do what you're told to do.
There was no way for me to back up. Where was I gonna go?
Back up, turn around, and then you have an attitude with everybody that we work with. So you know what? I'm not playing games. Not playing games. You failed to listen to my orders, and that's it. I'm gonna take a look. I'm sending everybody back there. I'm gonna take a look for her keys and stuff because I asked her, and I got nothing but an attitude. And the good thing is, at least I don't have to ask her any questions because it wasn't gonna go too well. I don't know if there was any place to hold them. Hey Hunter, what do they take?
What's up?
What do they?
Notice how the atmosphere completely changes after the arrest. The officers shift from confrontation to procedure, inventorying property, arranging the tow, and documenting every step. The emotional confrontation is over, but the legal consequences are only beginning.
What's up?
What do they take out of this? Back?
Toe gets the top company. Toe gets the top copy.
Okay.
And then both of these that come with
us.
us. And then when she comes forward, she gets the middle copy.
Okay.
So that goes in dispatch.
Gotcha.
This is the last time. My phone, bro. I need my phone. My phone. My phone, dude. My phone. Are you fucking kidding me? My phone's on the back of the car.
21501 County.
My phone's on the back of the car.
Yeah, 21501.
Somebody can take my phone, bro.
I'll be transporting one female 41 from my location to headquarters, starting mileage 76584.
My phone is on the back of the car. Somebody can take my phone, dude. You guys got me fucked up. I swear to God. I swear to God.
Starting mileage 76584. 21.
I cannot.
Oh, shut the f up a second. I'm getting your goddamn phone.
Don't worry about it, bro.
You can swear all you want. I'm tired of your shit.
I swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to God when I graduate law school. I swear to God.
All right.
I swear to fucking God, bro. I swear to fucking God. This is some personal shit, my nigga, and I'm done with this shit. I am absolutely finished with this shit. This is absolutely disgusting. This is disgusting. I swear to God. You guys think that I swear to fucking God. I'm going to internal affairs. I swear to God. I swear to God I'm going to internal affairs. I'm going to make you guys' life a living.
And you have every right to go internal affairs.
I'm going to internal affairs. I'm making a report. I swear to fucking God.
Okay.
I swear to God.
All right.
I swear to fucking God.
All right.
Somebody just hit somebody on the fucking thing and they're not even in a cop car. You got me fucked up. This is some personal shit. It has nothing to do with anything. This is not even an arrestable offense. You crazy? You guys are fucking doing personal shit and this is not right, bro. Out of here. This is some fucking bullshit. You want me to go fucking reverse and where a fucking stop sign is? I don't drive reverse. I hope you guys' body cams were on, because I swear to God I'm taking you.
21501.
Suspect vows to file
I'll
complaint.
be-
They'll take the case to
God, I'm
court.
taking you to
And that's
Three.
absolutely her legal right.
765
But whether the arrest was justified ultimately depends on the evidence, the body camera footage, and the law. After watching the entire encounter, do you think the officers acted appropriately, or did this situation escalate unnecessarily?
21501. I'll
I swear
be
to God I'm taking you to
3
court. I bet you my fucking
765
life I'm taking you to court. Bad, bro. You just fucked up. You just fucked up so bad, bro.